Well, check this out. My friend Adrian lives here in the bush. There's his hammock. Look at this beautiful stream here. Wow. And we cut these trees down and we're going to build today a table here. Adrian's not here, but I have his permission to build the table where these branches are that we cut. So let's try and build ourselves a table here. So I've cut 2 table lengths that size, and then I've got a whole lot of these spars that are going to go across the table. So we have all 4 corners of the table done. We've got a few more slats to go, so let's try and put this tabletop together. Those are all the slats that we have for our table at the moment. We know we must cut that much more. The next step is to put in the 4 corner legs. We put in 2 of the table top legs. We're even checking that it's level. You'll see the bubbles in the middle there. 1 post, 2 posts, 3 posts, and the 4th post. Now I'm going to drill holes in the center to accommodate a screw. Well, there is our table, nailed down. If you put a level on it, you can see the bubble. It's completely level. If you put a level on it this way, you can see again the bubble's completely level. This table's now level in all directions. Just needs a few more slats. If Adrian wanted it, he could cut off those branches. That's what I would do. These, and then you'd have your table. Put a nice little chair here, and it's so sturdy. I can easily sit on here, and I haven't even filled in the soil around the legs. This is sturdy. It could be serve as a bed. It's so sturdy. I've got to get the branches across this river